Hey there, Tweetie here. Want to let you know that down in the description we have links for you and several different things in the playlist that you may be interested in. But let's get to this one. It's about special needs, those with special needs. You do not want to forget it. So you're going to need to put them on your priority list. Some people in your household or closest friends may need insulin, glasses, medication, wheelchairs like I do, walkers, canes like Mike uses or BirdDog uses every now and then. Don't forget about the oxygen. That's so important. Make the necessary preparations for those things as well. Most people totally overlook those because it's not on a normal preppers list. It's not on ours. But we want you to know that you can't forget about it. You need to put that up there in the high priority because those are exceptional things that are special to your situation if it's true. So if you like this tip, give us a thumbs up. If you want more specialty tips, let us know in the comments below. And subscribe so that you can be notified every time. Anyway, thanks for listening. You have a blessed day and angels all around. Bye.